Here we have the smart Wi-Fi garage door opener by Meross. This is the MSG100 version. So we have the power adapter that powers this unit right here. It plugs into this USB right there. This end right there connects to the sensor, which is right here. The sensor detects whether the garage is closed or open. And this last wire right here goes to the unit itself, the garage unit, which tells the garage to open or close. This wire that controls the operation of the garage goes to the same destination as the wires from the wall switch. Next we have the sensor and power wires going to their respective ends. I'm not using the stock adapter because I want to power my garage as well, so I'm using a different one. I have the sensor wire hastily taped down the length of the rail. I will fix this later. The placement of your sensor may ultimately differ from mine, so make sure you take your time with this step. Alright, now comes the fun part. Make sure you have your Wi-Fi turned on and connected, so we can go ahead and program the garage to the app. The Meross app can be found on the Apple and Google stores easily. You want to hit the plus sign, choose Smart Garage Door Opener, hit start. For this next step, make sure you have the manufacturer and model ready to go. I know mine is Chamberlain, but I need to double check the model. Going to the back of the unit, I see that it says 102.1499A. Back to the app, we can confirm that. Yes, I found it. Now this next step is important. If the device does not have its LEDs blinking according to how the app has it, then it will not connect. Sure enough, it did not. So now what I'm going to do is power off the device and power it back on. Now we're going to try again. It should discover it this time. So now you see the Meross appearing right away. We can go ahead and name it to what we want right now. Next step is to confirm the Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi password. Just about done. Okay, we can skip this part. You can see the icon appear. We can test it. Good thing about the app is that you get notifications for when a garage is opened or closed, and also overtime warnings. Here we are trying it with the Wi-Fi still on. Keep in mind you don't actually have the Wi-Fi or be connected to the Wi-Fi to have this work. It actually works over cellular data. I personally think the app is a little clunky. The best use of it, in my opinion, is through the widget. And what's good about the widget is that you can actually stop the operation during mid-close or mid-open and reverse it. Okay, Google. Close Marengo. Works great with Google and Alexa. And that is how you set up the Meross Smart Garage Door Openers. Thanks for watching.